Hey guys, welcome you all to another video. So guys, in this video as you can see that I've started using a moto vlog with my new Honda Unicorn 150, and in this video I'm gonna talk to you about what are the good things about my bike and how is my bike performing. And recently I have done the fourth service center of my Unicorn. So what are the good things about this bike? And what are the daily observations I'm seeing in this bike? I'm definitely let you know in this video. So if you have any questions regarding this, so guys, do comment in my comment sections. And I'm just testing about this camera. Recently I purchased this Moto Plus action camera. It's like cheaper rate, you will get it in 7 to 6, in between like 6 to 7,000. So I guess you can check the clarity of the camera. If you want to purchase this, definitely you can visit to our descriptions. There will be a link given, you can purchase from there. Okay, so guys, just watch the video, and if you have any questions regarding this, please comment. And if you're a new subscriber to this video, guys, definitely just subscribe to my channel for more updates regarding this. Now you have seen that I have started motor vlogging, so daily observations what is coming, definitely you can see and you can watch, and definitely you will enjoy this video. If you have any things to let me know, just comment to my comment sections. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only
So guys, as you know, this is the newly launched Honda Unicorn 150 2017 model which I'm using right now. So good thing is that I'm getting the proper mileage of this bike, and there is no any maintenance cost of this bike recently. And I'm doing the service properly at the time, and I haven't received any kind of drawback regarding this. About this, if you have any kind of drawbacks of this bike, definitely just comment me and I will help you regarding this. So it's like more than like a year completing of this, and just now I've started using motovlogging. Any kind of questions or any kind of things, so please comment and do post it me on YouTube. And guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos regarding this. And anything you have to give me as suggestions as a feedback, definitely comment and comment sections, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys.